Hello guys, welcome back. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that will make solving math problems much easier. We're going to dive into the world of BODMAS, also known as the order of operations. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. So, let's get started. BODMAS stands for brackets of division and multiplication, and addition and subtraction. It's a set of rules that tells us the correct order in which we should perform mathematical operations within an expression. By following these rules, we can avoid confusion and ensure that everyone gets the same answer. Let's break it down step by step. The first step is brackets. Any operations inside brackets should be done first. If there are nested brackets, start with the innermost pair and work outward. Let's look at an example to illustrate this. In this expression, we have brackets enclosing the addition operation. So, we start by evaluating what's inside the brackets, 4 plus 2, which equals 6. Now, we multiply the result by 3 to get our final answer, which is 18. The second step is orders or exponents. This involves performing calculations involving squares, cubes, or other powers. Let's take a look at an example. In this expression, we have 2 raised to the power of 3, which means we multiply 2 by itself 3 times. So, 2 to the power of 3 equals 8. Now, we multiply 8 by 5 to get our final answer of 40. The third step is division and multiplication. These operations should be performed from left to right. If there are both multiplication and division operations in the expression, perform them in the order they appear. Let's see an example. In this expression, we have division and multiplication. We start by dividing 10 by 2, which gives us 5. Then, we multiply the result by 3 to get our final answer of 15. The final step is addition and subtraction. Just like with multiplication and division, these operations should be performed from left to right. Let's explore an example. In this expression, we start by adding 8 and 4, which gives us 12. Then, we subtract 2 from 12 to get our final answer of 10. Okay, now let's see some complex example. Let's break it down using the BODMAS principles: brackets, order, division and multiplication, addition and subtraction. So, in here, first you have to solve inside the brackets. Then let's get upside of the division line and downside of the division line separately. First, let's get upside of the division line. Then, first, you have to simplify inside the brackets. Always remember the BODMAS theory. In here we can see exponent and addition. So, according to the BODMAS theory, first you have to simplify exponent, after that you have to do addition. Then, we can get the answer of 13. Then, you have to multiply 13 into 5. You can get the answer 65. Now, you finished simplify upside of the brackets. Now, let's see downside of the division line. Here, we can see addition and multiplication. According to the BODMAS theory, first you have to do multiplication, after that we can do the addition. By simplify according to the theory, we can get the answer of 20. Now you finished simplify the downside of the division line also. Now you can simplify brackets. Upside of the brackets we get the answer of 65, and downside of the bracket, we get the answer of 20. So, there is a division inside the brackets. We can answer of 3.25 by simplifying the brackets. After simplify the brackets, we have to find square root of 9. It is 3. To get the final answer you have to subtract 3 from 3.25. The final answer is 0.25. And that's it. By following the BODMAS rules, we can solve complex mathematical expressions and equations with confidence. Remember, always start with brackets, then move on to orders, followed by division and multiplication, and finally, finish with addition and subtraction. I hope this video has helped you understand the BODMAS theory better. If you have any questions or want to see more math-related topics, please let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more math adventures. Until next time, happy math exploring. Thanks for watching.